Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study organic chemistry. Begin by building a solid foundation in basic principles. Focus on understanding concepts such as hybridization, bonding, and the different types of reaction intermediates like carbocations and free radicals. A strong grasp of these general organic chemistry principles will make learning specific reactions much easier and more intuitive. Don't rush this initial phase. It's crucial for future success. Once you have the basics down, dive into reaction mechanisms. Don't just memorize. Understand the step-by-step electron movement in each reaction. Actively practice drawing these mechanisms yourself, perhaps 2 or 3 times for each one, until they become second nature. Consistent practice is key. Aim to solve at least 20 to 30 organic chemistry problems every day to solidify your knowledge and improve your problem-solving speed. Next, dedicate time to mastering EUPAC nomenclature. Learn the systematic rules for naming compounds with different functional groups. Simultaneously, develop a clear understanding of isomerism, distinguishing between structural isomers and various types of stereoisomers. Consistent revision is vital. Regularly review all the named reactions, paying close attention to the specific reagents, catalysts, and reaction conditions required for each transformation. This will prevent confusion during exams. Finally, integrate all your learning by solving a wide variety of problems, especially those from previous year's question papers. This helps you identify recurring patterns and important topics. Develop your own concise summary notes for quick revision of key reactions, mechanisms, and concepts. And speaking of bringing things to life, check the description for a link to the Echo.Smart speaker and other great deals. Consistent revision and problem solving are your best tools for excelling in organic chemistry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.